How to trim video in Instagram story. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you may know, Instagram does not give us the option or feature to trim videos for stories. As you can see right here, there's no option for you to do that. That's why we will be using a third-party apps. If you go ahead and open up Play Store and search for video editors, you will find a bunch of them that all basically work the same way and do the same job. So you can use whichever video editor you like. For me personally, I use the InShot video editor. So go ahead and open up the editor and let's select the video to edit. And once you are here on this page, let's search for the trim feature, which is here, the precut. And as you can see, you can just trim the video as you like. Let's just trim this section right here. And once you are done, just click on save and you will see that your video has been trimmed. For the watermark right here, you can get rid of it if you watch a 30-second ad or something like that. For the sake of this video, let's skip that step. As you can see right here, let's go ahead and save the trimmed video. And once the video has been saved, let's go ahead and close all of these apps. And let's open up Instagram again. And here you can add your trimmed video. As you can see, it's right here. Once you add it, you can continue to edit your story just like you usually do. And once you're done, you can share your story. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can trim videos for Instagram story. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.